your first $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, as you watch this video, the most important thing when it comes to running ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and so on and so forth with ClickBank affiliate marketing is to understand that if you want to have results, you need someone who is going to help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way in 2026 and even now in 2025. Why? Because the most important thing when it comes to running ads is actually understanding who is your audience at a deeper level. What do I mean by that? You see, I travel to almost 70 countries right now. And the reason why I'm making this video is to show you and actually share with you part of my life. Because not so many years ago, I used to struggle. I was really broke. I couldn't make even a $50 payment. And I thought to myself, heck, I need to buy a course. I need to learn something new. So I went and actually bought some courses. I was scammed. I lost a few $1,000s on different courses. And then I said, heck, this is enough. Should I quit or get a job? So I went and got a mentor. And that was the best investment I ever made in myself. And it helped me to realize that right now in 2025, if you watch this video, if you have been scammed, if you have lost money, or if you, even though you're a beginner trying to make it online, I understand how you feel because I used to be there a few years ago. But right now I know I need someone who can help me step by step along the way, because all this, as you can see over here, travel and go around the world wouldn't be possible if I didn't make a decision to love myself enough to get a help, okay? My parents were struggling with their health and I didn't know what I didn't know. So I said to myself, heck, let's do it. Let's get a mentor, proper help, one-on-one. Let's invest some money and make it happen. And that's how I made it with ClickBank affiliate marketing. As you can see on my Instagram, I traveled almost 17 countries up until now. So yeah, that's the reason why I really want to put upon you that if you want to make it happen, you need someone who's going to guide you in a proper way, step by step along the way. Not just give you some video courses and tell you, look, click here, the button, and that's going to make it for you. No, you need proper guidance, you need proper help. And that's why I'm here, to let you know exactly what you need in 2025, going to 2026 if you're watching this video right now. This is the proper help you need and exactly the right audience, the right type of targeting. That's what's going to make the buck for you or change your life for you, because it's not about AI, it's not about software. Even though we are in ChatGPT area, no, ChatGPT won't make it for you, no. Why? Because they don't have emotion, they don't have relationships, they don't have networks, same as me or you as a human being, right? So if you want to know exactly how to make it in 2025 and 2026, let me know. There is my WhatsApp number, my YouTube, under my bio in YouTube, you can find my Instagram channel, my Facebook Messenger, and email. So let me know and let's make it happen.